Listen to me. If you are sitting there right now, staring at your computer or your phone, realizing you just sent money through Paysend and something went wrong, I want you to take a deep, deep breath. Do not panic. I know exactly what is going through your mind. You are retired, or you are right on the verge of retirement. You worked 40, 50 years for every single dollar in your account. You don't have time to waste, and you certainly do not have money to lose. Maybe you were trying to send a little help to your kids, your grandkids, or a loved one overseas, and you hit the wrong button. Or maybe the money is just stuck in midair, and the person on the other end is calling you saying, "Hey, where is it?" The fear sets in instantly, doesn't it? You start thinking, did I just get scammed? Is my hard-earned money gone forever into cyberspace? Am I going to have to spend the next 3 weeks fighting a machine just to get my own money back? I understand that fear. It paralyzes you. But I am here to tell you that you are not powerless. You can handle this, but you must act with clarity, and you must act right now. The big question you are asking yourself is simple: how do I get my money back from Paysend? The honest answer depends entirely on where your money is at this exact second. This is the truth about how these digital transfer systems work, and you need to understand it so you can take control. If you just sent that transfer within the last 30 minutes, I want you to move fast. If the person on the other side has not claimed that money yet, or if it hasn't landed in their bank account, you have a golden window. You can cancel it yourself. You open up your Paysend app, or you log into your account on your computer. Go straight to your transfer history. Look for that specific transaction. If the system hasn't fully pushed it through yet, you will see a button that says Cancel Transfer. You tap that button. You confirm it. And Paysend will pull that money back and refund it to your bank account or card within 3 business days. But what if that button isn't there? What if you look at the app and it says the transfer is already processed, but you realize you sent it to the wrong person, or you typed in the wrong account number? This is where the fear turns into a real problem, and I need you to hear me clearly. Once digital money lands in the recipient's bank account or their digital wallet, Paysend cannot automatically reach into that account and pull it back. They don't have the legal authority to do that. No company does. If the money has already been delivered, it is officially out of Paysend's hands. If you accidentally send it to a family member or someone you know, the solution is human, not digital. You pick up the phone, you call them, and you say, "Look, I made a mistake. Please send that back to me." But what if you sent it to a stranger? What if you realize you were tricked or scammed? If you realize you sent money to a fraudulent account, your path to getting that money back requires a specific, aggressive strategy. You cannot just sit around waiting for Paysend to notice. You have to create a paper trail immediately. Your first actionable step is to gather your evidence. You need the transaction ID number. Every single transfer has one. You need the exact date, the exact amount, and the phone number and email address connected to your Paysend account. Next, you must contact Paysend's customer support immediately. Do not wait for tomorrow morning. They have an online chat right in the app, and you can email them at help@paysend.com. You write to them, you give them the transfer ID, and you state clearly, "I need to dispute this transaction." If the money was rejected by the receiving bank on the other end, tell Paysend immediately. Sometimes a foreign bank looks at a transfer, doesn't recognize it, and sends it back. If that happens, Paysend will usually process your refund within 1 to 3 business days, but you need to check in with them to make sure it doesn't get stuck in their system. Now, if Paysend tells you they cannot reverse it because the money is already gone, you do not stop there. You do not just throw your hands up and accept the loss. You go straight to the source of the money. How did you pay Paysend? Did you use your bank account? Did you use a credit card or a debit card? If you used a credit card or your bank's debit card, you call your bank immediately. You ask for the fraud or dispute department. You tell them, "I need to file a chargeback or dispute a fraudulent transaction made through a third-party app." Your bank has protections in place for unauthorized or fraudulent activity. They will open an investigation, and in many cases, if you act quickly, the bank can credit that money back to your account while they investigate. I want you to protect yourself moving forward, because your financial security and retirement is your lifeblood. You cannot afford to play guessing games with your money. From this day forward, I want you to promise me that you will never press send on any digital money app until you have verified the recipient's details 3 separate times. Read the numbers out loud. Check the name. Check the country. If you are sending money to someone for the very first time, do not send the whole amount. Send a test transfer. Send $5. Wait for them to call you and say, "Yes, I got the $5." Once you know the pipeline is safe and correct, only then do you send the rest. You have the power to protect your money. If a mistake happened today, take the steps I just gave you. Check the app for the cancel button, gather your transaction ID, contact support, and if necessary, call your bank to dispute the charge. Stand up for your money, because nobody cares more about your financial future than you do. Act now, stay safe, and protect what is yours.